Kukho ungaqiniseki okukhulayo malunga nolawulo lwenkampani engajonganga nzuzo yoMkhonto weSizwe. Ethetha kudliwano-ndlebe olukhethekileyo negqeza leendaba zeSoweto TV, umseki owagxothwayo uJabulani Khumalo ekunye noLebogang Moepeng ugxininisa ukuba babuyiselwe njengabalawuli boMkhonto weSizwe NPC. Le meko ivela emva kokuba uKhumalo eyalelwe ukuba ahlawule iindleko kulandela urhoxiswa kwesicelo sakhe esingxamisekileyo sokuphikisa ukususwa kwakhe njengomlawuli we-MKNPC. Kusenjalo i-MK Party yawaphikisa amabongo kaKhumalo isithi akabuyiselwanga njengomlawuli woMkhonto weSizwe NPC.
Kubukeka sengathi ubambe isisila seHobhe ozibiza ngomsunguli weqembu lezepolitiki uMkhonto weSizwe uJabulani Khumalo njengoba inkantolo ilokhu imgaxabeze njalo kokukhokhela izindleko zenkantolo kwele kuzama lokubuyiselwa esikhundleni sakhe sokuba umholi weqembu loMkhonto weSizwe kanjalo nokuba umqondisi wenhlangano engenzi inzuzo eyamaniswa naleli qembu. Lokungaboni ngasolinye kwaqala ngenkathi uKhumalo namanye amalunga eqembu asuswe ezikhundleni zawo kwafakwa abanye njengoba ke iqembu laselithathe isinqumo sokuyozibika laziwe kwikhomishana yengamele ukhetho kuleli u-IEC njengoba ke belizongenela ukhetho lwangonyaka odlule lukazwelonke nolwezifundazwe. uKhumalo nozakwabo baqala ke ukugqiqa ezinkantolo ngemuva kokusola loyo owayekumengameli wakuleli nosengumholi waleli qembu uJacob Zuma kokuba impisi egqoke isikhumba semvu njengoba bathi-ke ama-signature akumaphepha agunyaza ukunikezelwa kobuholi beqembu awumgunyathi. uKhumalo umile ekutheni ibona abaholi abafanele.
We are the original directors of Umkhonto Party, Umkhonto weSizwe Party, on NPC and on IEC. We registered this entity last in 2023 November. Then we added members after that. But what has happened is that 2024 August, certain people decided to put themselves into our company without our consent. We then removed them. We went to CIPC, we opened the case, we took a resolution, we removed them. Then again in December, they did the same thing. January this year, it was quiet. February, they started again. They've been trying this, doing this thing over and over. We went and opened the case, but still it never ended. So we decided that last month, let's go to court to remove them now with the court order. We went and applied, but we did not isolate the application to the CIPC to remove them. So whilst we were doing these two processes, we applied for this, what we call it, agent court hearing. Our court hearing was on Wednesday, 18th, but whilst we were there, we received a message that we have been restored into CIPC documents as directors. Now what CIPC did, they went into to their tribunal. While they're doing that, they never notice us that they are now finalizing the restoration of our directors back to the NPC.
uKhumalo uphinde wagxeka ubuholi obukhona njengamanje nosebuxoshe onobhala jikelele abalinganiselwa kwisikhombisa.
He's already fired 7 secretaries. That's madness. When you are a leader, you need to make up your mind. You don't just do things recklessly. You can't have 7 secretaries. That means there's something very wrong with the leadership currently. Us as directors, we were not consulted on all of this. In actual fact, what people need to understand is that until the conference, we are the only executive that needs to take the decisions and effect them. So what they are doing right now is totally wrong. That's not what is supposed to be happening. We are not aware of all of this happening, what is happening in there, but we don't want to say much for now, but we will deal with it as the executive directors.
Kusenjalo uzakwabo naye usho-ke ngelizwe elilodwa noKhumalo njengoba-ke ethi kuningi okusamele kulungiswe kuleli qembu kanti-ke bazimisele ukuthi babuyisele ithemba abantu abavotela leli qembu njengeqembu elizobatakula ezinkingeni zabo.
I think one of the first things that was broken was trust. Not only trust of the people that came together to put the organization together, but trust of the nation, trust of the continent, and trust of our fellow strategic partners in various parts of the world. People lost trust in the organization based on what the organization sought out to achieve, which was in the main mentioned on December 16th, 2023, and what transpired 12 months into that and beyond that. So the first thing we'll fix is trust. I think parallel to that, we'll look at the issue of governance. Reports that have been coming out are that things are a mess. So yes, investigations will be launched. We'll seek to unpack. This is a public organization, so we'll seek to unpack and make known what needs to be made known in the interest of accountability and put systems in place. Our belief is that Comrade Floyd sought to put systems in place as well. That's being policies, structures, and clearly with the dismissal of the former Secretary General, it's proof. I mean, President says that there have been 7 secretaries that have been fired. That's proof that the center is not holding. If you understand the political structure of any political organization, the center is the Secretary General. If in 12 months you dismiss a good 7+, and let's not talk about Treasurer Generals as well, that means the center is not holding. Yes, there might be a head, but the center is not holding. And that makes the entire organization vulnerable. So we'll get in with the necessary cleaning tools to clean and put the organization back into the rightful place where it needs to be, the liberation movement that seeks to change the situation of our country. A crucial date was December 16, 2023. And the message that was sent out to South Africa is that this is an organization that seeks to take all the marginalized people of this country, which is the greater majority of the people of this country, to say, let's create a political home to which we'll use this vehicle to fix the problems we have in our country. Now, who is to be brought back? South Africa is to be brought back. People who registered as members and paid subscription fees, people who trusted us with their votes, people who supported us in any form, shape, or size. Those are people who will be brought back. There have been a lot of people who've been kicked out of the organization due to some intelligence reports that none of us have really seen. But that's a story for another day. So we'll call South Africa to say, let's come back, let's regroup, so that we can jointly fix the country. Of course, executives, that too will be addressed.
Abezindaba zeSoweto TV bazamile ukuxhumana nosomlomo weqembu lezepolitiki umkhonto wesizwe uNhlamulo Ndlela logcine engaphendulanga ngesikhathi. Kanti-ke ngokwesitatimende esikhishwe yileli qembu sithi-ke uKhumalo nozakwabo bahubha-ke lukaBhejane njengoba inkantolo elichithile leli cala nokumele-ke bakhokhele izindleko. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu.